Hey guys, Randy at ZZPerformance here. I just wanted to run through a quick and easy install of our Tesla lowering links. Just walk you through this. If you own a Tesla and you've done this a little bit before, you can know how hard it is to get the stock links off without breaking the plastic uniball on the potentiometer. I just wanted to do a quick comparison here of your stock links versus the ZZP lowering links for the Tesla. You'll notice that the ZZP links here are a little bit longer. When that happens, it pushes the potentiometer deeper into its stroke on the car, and it kind of tricks the car into lowering itself, give you a little better stance, a little better fitment. You will notice, if you're an avid Tesla boy, these guys are for 26 to 2020. If you have anything 2020 and above, you will have two same size links like these guys right here. Just wanted to do a quick comparison here. This is the stock link for the front end here. If you look up, you can see the length. Stock length is a little short. The longer you make these links, the more lowering you'll get out of the car. I will note here as well, one of our guys had to go ahead and trim the plastic back because the longer the link is, the longer it swings out. You don't want that to contact the body. This is our ZZPerformance link. This guy is 58 millimeters in length. If you note here, you can just snap it right on. Rotate your potentiometer out, snap the new one on. Quick and easy install. And that's how quick and simple it is to lower your Tesla, get the right stance with our ZZP lowering links. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to our customer service at ZZPerformance.com and go fast, not broke.